Decoding the Term Mafia. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to explore a term that you might have heard in movies, news, or even in casual conversations, mafia. Let's dive into its origins, meanings, and how it's used in the English language. The term mafia originated in Sicily, Italy. It is believed to describe a secret criminal organization that emerged in the 19th century. This organization was involved in various illegal activities, including extortion, smuggling, and even political corruption. Fun fact: the exact origins of the word are still debated. Some believe it might be derived from the Sicilian adjective mafioso, which means swagger or bravado, but in the sense of a protective and secretive society. Today, the term mafia isn't limited to describing the Sicilian criminal organization. It's now used more broadly to refer to any organized crime group, regardless of their origin or location. For instance, you might hear terms like Russian mafia or yakuza for the Japanese mafia. In everyday English, particularly in pop culture, mafia can sometimes be used more loosely to describe any tight-knit group that seems to operate under secret or unwritten rules, even if they're not involved in any criminal activity. For example, the Silicon Valley Mafia might refer to a close group of tech entrepreneurs. 1. Literal usage. The police have been trying to combat the influence of the mafia in the city. 2. Figurative usage. The way those authors support each other's books. They're like the literary mafia. Remember, context is key. Using mafia in a figurative sense can be seen as humorous or ironic, but always be aware of your audience and setting, as it's a term with serious origins. And there we have it. The term mafia has evolved from its historical roots in Sicily to a versatile word in English. Whether you're watching a crime thriller or reading a news article, you now have a deeper understanding of this word and its significance. We hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.